What's up, everybody? This is Joseph from Tayk2. I'm the bassist for Tayk2. What inspired me into music was these guys, you know? Just growing up, we were really close. Like, they play this, that, and like, we're like, hey, you know, one day we should just start a band. And we did. And I just happened to pick up the bass one day because everybody knew how to play guitar, so I just might as well pick up the bass, right? My future goals for this band though, we're currently working on an album right now and it's going really well. Everybody's busy doing their own stuff, but we're finding time for that and everything's going really smooth. Not just get an album out, you know, you just want to influence other people, other known people. Getting people, friends together and perform as a band is truly a gift. So that's what I like about music, and I've been inspired a lot, and I just want to get our own music out there, you know.